Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best Bambu Studio support setting. The first thing that you want to do is to of course head over to your 3D model or your plate, and from here you then want to click on support and make sure that the support option is enabled. Now from here you can either choose the automatic feature or the manual feature. Basically with this one it will then find where it's weakest and try to put support from there, or you can try to put supports on your own by navigating through the type section, click the manual option, and from here you can then paint manually by clicking on the support painting. Now let's say that you want to paint it this way. Maybe you want to avoid some critical points on your model, maybe on the face. To do that, you want to use the support blockers. Simply right click on your mouse and it will apply this red paint right here. Now you can apply this to wherever you want to. Now additionally, I want to apply supports into the wings right here where I think it's weakest, and maybe let's do the same thing for the other wing. And lastly, I'm going to apply some supports at the top of the head. From there, you also want to make sure to change the threshold angle to something like the 3 strong or 3 hybrid. Now this will make your support even better. From there, just click on the remove small overhangs option. And then for the rafts, of course, you can adjust this the way you want to. Basically, the objects will be raised by this number of support layers. You can use this function to avoid warping when print ABS. Now from there, that's basically everything you need to do. If you need more advanced support setting, you'll then want to navigate through this category right here. But to preview your support, you can just click on the slice plate option. And from there, we can then see our support properly build out using the tree manual. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.